Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. Today is International Ninja Day, so I'm waiting for just the right moment to...
Kapow! Tee-hee! They never even saw me coming.
Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
Alarm off.
Look at that.
Good morning! Cold morning! Hi guys! Today we are heading to Portland, Oregon, and we are going to catch the Amtrak going to Portland. We're not gonna drive, we're gonna experience going to Portland via train, or they call it Amtrak. So, yeah, with that, I'm going to dance with you today. My own version of Mommy Shark, Body Shark. We're all aboard. Stefan is tuloy.
Alright, so this is how it looked like, the restroom here. It's like it's like an airplane lavatory. Here's the toilet, here's the sink. No space at all.
At Centralia, we'll open up the door between cars 3 and car 4 for D-Train. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a track between us and the station. So when you step off the train, look to your left, look to your right, find that nearest crosswalk, and use that crosswalk to safely make your way over to the station. Again, Centralia, Washington coming up next. Thank you.
I wanna make you happy. I wanna make you feel alive. Let me make you happy. I wanna make you feel alive at night. I wanna make you happy. You a good girl tonight.
Downtown Portland, Oregon. City of Roses, Union Station coming up here in about 7 or so minutes. In Portland, we will open all doors. Cars 1 through car 7 will open for D-Train in Portland. Please wait for a uniformed crew member to open those doors. We'll put step boxes down to facilitate your safe departure from the train. It is a fairly steep drop down from the train to the platform, so please do watch your step. And again, wait for a uniformed crew member to open those doors for you.
What's up?
Hello, so we're finally here. We just got to Portland, so going inside the station now. Hi! Our Uber just dropped us off over here. We are at Lloyd Center. We were here before, last year.
Not last
Oh,
year,
not
it was
last year.
last year.
Last year.
Push.
Seattle, Edmonton, Everett, leading into Vancouver.
We just got here in time.
We're here at the station going back to Seattle.
Sorry.
That's our train. It's old-fashioned train. What say you?
That was 3 hours right there.
Wait, this is business class right here, and we are on the coach.
Yeah, just
Coach and Michael Kors. So we went to a mall, and then all these shops shop a lot because there's no tax, sales tax. It's the bistro. They're like canteen, right?
Canteen. No one used that over here.
Really? And that's my train right there.
May I have your attention, please? Welcome aboard train 516, making our way all the way up to Vancouver, BC, and making all stops in between. This is a very light train, but we are getting more people as we go. So please have that in mind. I do have families and such getting on. If you're looking for a restroom, they are located in every single car. If you're looking for the bistro, if you are in the coaches, please walk the opposite direction in which we are going, and it's the car behind car 3. And for those of you in business class, just walk forward and you'll find it after the dining area. And for those of you in business class, if you could please have your tickets out, the conductor will be coming through now to collect your tickets. So please have something on your phone or a piece of paper for her to scan. We'd be much obliged.
Hello. So, we are almost to our destination. Almost to Tukwila. How do you feel? He's not feeling very well. I'm all good. You know what? You didn't eat that side.
Thank you.